helmet. Didn't need a second guess. It's funny how life can get. It takes the smile right off your face. Cause the times can get tougher, feels like it's pulling you under. And I can see that you struggle. Just turn on the radio, I will be there in stereo. Honey, play it and play it on.
Hi, good day guys. Welcome into the vlog on today. I am heading to the beach. I just got up and I felt like I wanted to go out. And that's one of the most beautiful things about living on my side. I live beachfront, so I can go to the beach any day of the week. So today I just feel like going to the beach. I'm going to take you guys. I have my little bathing suit, my bag with all of my little goodies and stuff in it. That's what I'm going to do on today. Just take you guys for a brief second with your girl. Hope you enjoyed this one. Guys, I just realized I didn't eat anything, so I stopped by the McDonald's there. I bought me a little sandwich and some fries and some Sprite. Even though I have water and stuff, I just felt for a little McDonald's. Maybe I'll have lunch with you guys later on the pier or wherever I go. But I just stopped right there at McDonald's and I felt like having something to eat. Why is this car not going? You can go turn on red. Unless he's going straight. Come on, sweetie. So, I'm going to have that. Focus on my drive. I just stopped to get that. Why is he not going? Right here, this guy in front of me here. Oh my God. You can turn right on red. He's going straight. He's from New Jersey. Wow, he's in the wrong lane. Anyway, I'm going to focus on the road, on my driving, and then I'll come back in when I get to where I'm going. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yeah. Telling you, it's your day to make the best of it. Don't make anyone steal your joy. Even if they come and they try to, totally ignore them. Give them the hand. I like to do so. That's alright, thank you. Oh, don't bother. Yeah. I'll see you guys when I get there. I'm excited. So excited. It's packed today. A lot of cars. I am here. A lot of cars. Listen to me. I should go bring my beach chair. I have a beach chair that I didn't. I should go bring it. Look at that. They literally cater for us here in Florida. Oh, it's to walk up. I should carry my, I can't walk in the sand. I should carry my beach chair. Oh my Lord. Yeah. Why is this stairs so high? Diggity duck duck. Oh my Lord. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. Oh. Beautiful. People today. Oh my Lord. Yes. Everybody has the same idea to come sit out. Yeah. So beautiful. So peaceful. I need my chair. I need to bring my chair up here. I wonder if I should have drive further down because further down has like less people. Huh? What do you think? I like it here. Oh my. Bugs. The bugs stack. Oh my God, the bugs. The bugs stack, guys. more people are coming. So this is my tent, guys. I set it up. It was pretty easy to set up, not that hard. I have my chair inside, my towel, my bag with all my goodies. Yeah, and I'm up inside and I'm relaxing and enjoying just a little bit of sun. Just a little bit of my feet out, but it is gorgeous and comfortable. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at, guys. On this beautiful day. Few people are up and out. It's so peaceful. Love it. I love it, guys. One of the reasons why I live beachside. I know it's a little expensive, but I don't care. I love beachside. Yeah, and it's nice and cool inside of here. Just sitting out and relaxing and enjoying this day. I'm probably going to go pull out one of my books I'm going to read. There's a lovely book that I'm reading right now, How to Better Yourself Financially, and I'm pretty okay, but still how to propel yourself to third and fourth and fifth levels of greatness. So I'm gonna just sit out here for about an hour or two, read and just enjoy the sun. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day like me. Yeah, hope you guys like this one. I love to hear it. I love smelling it. I just love laying out by it. So this is where I ended up. I was supposed to be at the store. This is where I ended up on today. Out by the water. I don't know how I ended up here, but I ended up here. That's it. Look at how far those three boys, I think, have gone out. Let me show you guys. If I could zoom in. There's three heads all the way out there. Where they are. All the way out there. Look down. How far I'm zoomed all the way out. I don't know where they're going, but they're very, very far out there. I'm now deciding to have my sandwich. I'm not that hungry, but I just want to put something on my chest because I didn't really eat anything this morning. Bought myself what is chicken sandwich. Sweat it out. I don't think I'm gonna eat the top of the bread. It's dry. No butter, no ketchup, no nothing to give you. I know, look at how far they're going out. Like, why are they going out so far? They're going out real far. So, have some love bugs flying around my flask. Maybe they've sensed that the flask is cold, so they keep flying around. Where the guys are they coming back? They're still far out there. I don't know. I'm good right here. Everybody come together, but look at them. Everybody just sit out there by themselves on the phone. He's on his phone. She's on her phone. And she's on her phone. All by themselves. Everybody. They're focusing. I don't know what they're focusing on. This guy over here, all he's doing is watching everybody go down. I don't know if he's taping with his phone or what he's doing, but he's just sitting down watching everybody walk down in the beach. Right there. It's beautiful though. So I feel better. I have my little lunch. I feel good. Lunch for some, brunch for the others, dinner for some. It's now, 6? I've been here since 3. I don't know if I should stay any later. Some people are packing up, leaving. I don't know. I just like how it feels. I'm comfortable, so you know. I don't feel like I want to go. That was a lovely day, guys. So I got myself some sand, something I need to fill up in the store. I also picked myself up some seashells. I love to collect seashells when I come to the beach. Hope you guys enjoy this small, short video with your girl taking you out and about here at Cocoa Beach. hope you guys like it. I oftentimes say, find something to do that makes you or brings you a lot of joy. Get up, go out, celebrate you. Don't wait for anyone to do it for you. Do it for self. I felt like getting up today and come on out, and that's exactly what I did. 1 second. Hope you guys like this one on today. As per usual, don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot up in the comment section for your girl. I want to show you guys what I have in my trunk all the time. This is a beach chair, and this here is the visor that I was under that gave me the most shade. This one here is a run out and pick up. It's so easy to make small again and then put it back into my trunk. Love it. I'm telling you guys, you have to get up and go celebrate your own life. I love telling you guys that the Lord gave you that life to steward over, and that's all you got to do. Celebrating this earth, finding something that you like doing, and keep doing it. First for self, so that then you can become one with you, so you can be great in the earth to help other people as well. I picked up a number of different shells. I love them. I love having it all around my house. So I'll probably create something with those that I found.
Made a list of promises to you. I just had to write them down and say them out loud. I feel so lucky that God gave me you. You lift up everyone around.
Guys, so I just wanted to find a really calm way to end the evening. I went to the beach. I enjoyed every bit of it. And now I'm coming to my favorite store where I always go by myself. You know, I like it. They're gelatas. It's an ice cream gelata. Listen, they love me so much. They know me inside of there. Look at this. I made a mistake and said large. I meant medium. And I said a large. That's alright. Peanut colada gelato. It's so good, guys. If you're ever in the Florida area, you gotta stop in. Yeah. What's the name of this place? Let me get the receipt. God, it melts so quickly too. Can I rest it on my dashboard? Yeah. That's it. Let me get the information. I put the receipt inside already to tell you guys the name of this place. Yeah. Jeremiah's. It's Jeremiah's. How could I forget that? Jeremiah's. How could I forget that? They love me there like crazy. So, I'm gonna sit out here. Stop my car for a little bit and just enjoy that. So good. It's so good. What a lovely way to end the day. What a lovely way to end the day. I made a mistake and say large. I meant medium. My God, look at how big. It's really good though. I made a mistake and say large. I can't eat all of this, trust me. I can't. I cannot eat all of this. I made a mistake and say large. I meant small. And then on top of that, I said no later. It's too big. Normally I get very small. The one I normally buy is about this big. Anyway, I really wanted to end the video on a good note. Even though I could have ended it outside by my car, by the beach. And everything today cost me about what? $6 for this. About 5 something. Let's round it up $6. And my meal was $8 and some change. So let's round that off like 9. So $9, $15, right? 9 and 6, 15. So about $15 just taking myself out by the beach, relaxing. This was a mistake. This was probably supposed to be $3, but it is what it is. So I want to say this to you guys. For all those who watch me here on the channel, find something you like doing that is not too expensive and do it. You see, my husband is not here. I'm just here by myself. He had some stuff to take care of, so I couldn't say, well, I'm not gonna go because of. You gotta find that comfortable place that you like to go to find your peace, and go there. Go there. Do not make anything or nothing stop you from enjoying this life that the earth has, that the Lord gives to you to be out here enjoying. Let me tell you, I have come to realize life is short, and it's important for us to enjoy as much as we can. So let me turn you guys back around. So without further ado, hope you guys go like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot it up in the comment section for your girl, where I bring you all of that good, meaty, juicy content all of the time here on my channel. Look, some rabbits are running around in the field there. Go enjoy yourself. If you don't have anybody else to take you out, take yourself out. Treat yourself like you are golden, like you are special, that you are worth every living second, minute, day of a given day. Enjoy your life. And I'm not saying for you to go and spend ridiculous amounts of money, but there are things free in every area to enjoy, like the beach, the park, the zoo. It have some zoos you could just go and sit outside, go walking the trails. It have all sorts of museums, that different parks, areas that you can go and enjoy your life. I don't want to stay here and ramble too long. I hope you guys enjoy this day that I took you out with me, just spending the day with Polly. Hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in the next one. All I ask is a simple like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot up in the comment section. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and if you would go try to just get up and take yourself out. Treat yourself special. You are worth it. That's how I think of myself. Okay? Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and stay blessed. It's melting. Look at that. Yeah, it melts a lot. It's too much for me. It's too much. It's too much. You made a mistake. I love you guys. One more of your girl, follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. There, a lot of short form content comes out first before it even comes to the channel. So if you follow me there, you probably would have known that I've been to the beach already. And this is like, because over here is long form content, it takes a longer time before it comes out. And then again, I only drop videos like twice a week, which is Wednesdays and Fridays. So you know, I have other things and in the queue, as well as I have some collaboration with companies and stuff like that. So sometimes those things have to drop first before I could even drop my own personal stuff. I just saw like little animals walking all up from, I wonder if that's oh my god, it's way over the field on the other side. Whatever, I'm just gonna stay in my car because we're in Florida, so you know you'll see a lot of stuff. Anyway, let me stop rambling on. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys. Oh my hat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. All of my breasts. I ordered too much. It's the wrong one. It's the wrong one. Oh my god. Bye guys. Bye.
never only running